Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Axis Bank in the cash segment at 394 levels, holding all these long positions, so initiated with a stop loss at 390, expecting to book profits at 399 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Federal Bank in the cash segment at 118 levels, holding these long positions, so initiated with a stop loss at 116, expecting to book profits at 121 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the futures space, I would want to buy August futures of ICICI Bank at 1,525 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 1,510, expecting to book profits at 1,544 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
For today, I have two stocks, both buys, starting with Reliance. Certainly looking good to me. It's given a good base formation, has given a good breakout, and looks like Reliance is climbing to levels closer to 1035. It may take a day or two, but Reliance is heading towards that and beyond that. Strong support at 1000, that's the place I would have a stop. And second stock that I like is M&M Financial. What a good base formation at 240 zones, a good up move, consolidation, and a fresh breakout has come in. The way it's heading, looks like M&M Financial is climbing to levels closer to 280, 85, even 290 in the days to come. But certainly looking good to me is M&M Financials. Stop below 260. Looks good. So for today, two stocks, both good. Reliance and M&M Financials. On the futures front, I'd prefer to trade Bank Nifty futures. Beautiful up move. 15,300, strong support zones. That's the place I would have a stop. Upside open. The minimum target is 15,600. Bank futures.
We are recommending a long position in ICICI Bank. The stock has given a major breakout on its weekly and monthly charts above this 1515 mark. Now this stock has a reasonable support around this 1500 level, so keeping that as a stop loss, one can initiate a long in ICICI Bank. One can expect a target of 1600 to 1620 in next 3 to 5 trading sessions in ICICI Bank.
Well, I too have a buy in ICICI Bank. I think whatever reason specified by Ashish, I am fully with him. I see this stock outperforming today. A buy in ICICI Bank, stop loss of 1500, target of 1590. A buy in a Tata Chemicals, stop loss of 364, target of 395. And in the FNO space, since if it opens with too much of a gap, I would avoid taking a call. But Bank Nifty is, I see a very clear outperformer in the Bank Nifty. My target would be 15,750, and the ideal level to buy is around 15,400, 15,350. So in case of a consolidation, a sideways move or a correction, in case you can buy the Bank Nifty at 15,400 to 15,350, take 100 points risk and play for a 250, 300 points reward.
Today I have a buy call on Aditya Birla Nuvo. That's a buy just on the verge of breaking into fresh all-time highs, fresh 52-week highs. That's a buy with a stop below 1462 for a target of around 1525. ACC, which finally registered a close above 1500, that's a buy with a stop below 1482 for targets of 1560. I've got a buy on Bharti, which appears to have completed a pullback to levels of 365, 366 and resumed its up move. So that's a buy with a stop at 370 for targets of 388. Oil India, which had a good price and volume action yesterday along with the other oil and energy sector companies, that's a buy with a stop at 579 for targets of 625, and a buy on ICICI Bank, which again made a fresh high. That's a buy with a stop below 1504 for targets of around 1600.